Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sharice. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this nice little slick back lead ponytail on my natural hair. I haven't done a slick back ponytail in a minute, guys, so bear with me. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your bell notifications on so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But right now I'm just parting out my hair. Now that I have my part established, I am going to put my hair into 3 sections just so it's easier.
Perfect.
And I'm using the Icy hair polisher. So this is the Eco Styler. This is the black castor oil one. As you can see, I used it a lot. This lasts me a very long time. I'm gonna part this section into 2 sections just so I can get that real slick ponytail. So I'm gonna section this out. You guys, I haven't put gel in my hair in so long. Like, it's been months. It has been months since I've put gel in my hair. I usually just use edge control, but I really haven't been wearing my natural hair. As you guys can see from like my videos and stuff, you're gonna see what hairstyles I normally do, and I'm normally doing like wigs, and I kind of want to start wearing my natural hair a little bit more, so I might end up doing more hair videos so I can get into the groove of doing my natural hair. And I'm using the edge booster. This one is the darker one, so it doesn't give me that white residue like the clear one normally does. So I'm gonna put these on the baby hairs and on the edges a little bit because I like the edge control. I prefer the edge controls hold when it comes to my edges. I feel like it's very laid and very slick whenever I do it with the edge control, and when I do it with just the gel, it doesn't give me that nice hold that I'm looking for. And I kind of want this baby hair to be a little dramatic, I'm not gonna lie. So this part is gonna be the annoying part because you're gonna have to do it in smaller sections, especially if your hair is natural. You're gonna want to do small sections so that it lays really flat. So now I'm just taking my gel and I have my section right here. So since it's like a swoop, you want to be bringing the hair forward and then swooping it back. So as I get to this section, I'm going to just swoop it. You want to take your time so you don't mess up your shape, because then you'll have to keep doing it over and over. And make sure you're separating your baby hairs, because mine is getting all messed up already. My hand hurts. Okay, this hairstyle is, you gotta take your time with it. So beauty is freaking pain. I'm just gonna use I'm just gonna use some edge control to kind of slick this piece of my baby hairs down so it doesn't get in the way. Okay, now I have it as slick as I want it. I basically just split the baby hair in two, and I have two baby hairs on this side and just this little side piece. Okay, so now I'm just taking my head tie. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let my hair dry down for probably about an hour or so, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like.